Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss how to do first and last element swapping in a given list. Okay, we will try to achieve this technique by using two different ways. One is by using temporary variable concept and the second one is by swapping using the partitioning technique. So we will try to see practically those two techniques how to achieve swapping mechanism. So let's say swap list. Now we'll try to define here swap first and last element in a given list. So problem statement. Now approach 1 we will take using temporary variable. Okay, now let's try to take a sample list. Okay, now 10 comma 30 comma 50 comma 70 comma 90. Okay, so here is our list. Now we will try to take the length of the list. So let's try to take the length of list. Okay, we are storing under length variable. Okay, now we will try to create some temp variable. In the temp variable we will try to access the first element in a list. So in a list it starts the index position first element from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts from 0. So we are considering storing first element into temporary variable, and then let's say list of 0 is equal to list of what we can take it here, length of minus 1. Okay, so what we are trying to do here, length variable holds length of the list, means 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 elements, so length minus 1 means it will be the fourth. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 means 90. It will store it under list of 0. Okay, here under temp list of 0 means first element it will store. Okay, now list of length minus 1, again back we are storing into temp. Okay, so what's the value here, temp 10, we have 10 where it will store in the list of length minus 1. Okay, now we will try to print it. So let's try to print list after swapping. Okay, so define the list. So here also we'll try to take original list before swapping. Okay, now we'll try to run and see whether we are achieving the expected or not. If we try to see, before first element is 10, last element is 90, after swap 90 come to the first place and 10 goes to the last place. So we can able to achieve the expected outcome by using the temporary variable concept. So because index list starts from the 0th indication. First element starts with 0, we are storing into temporary variable, and then we are taking the length of -1, means the length, the total length which we are considering it as under length function, we are taking it to -1, means fourth position, it falls under 90th position, so we are storing it as list 0. So here what it is happening, it is swapping. So from first position to last, last position to first, okay, using these three statements. Now we can able to see one technique. See, this is approach 1. Let's try to see another approach by swapping doing the partitioning way. Let's say approach 2, swap by doing partitioning. Okay, now we will try to see how to achieve this way. Now let's say we'll try to take the same list here, and then so same way let's try to take the first element first from the list, okay, comma list of. So here I am going to take -1. So -1 starts from the last index in the list, okay, means negative indexing starts from the last element. Okay, now equal to again list of, again here after equal to it starts from the negative index, okay, comma list of again 0. Okay, so here it is the first element as well as the last element, and then last element comma first element, so it will swap it each other. Now we'll try to do the print statement, list after swapping. Now we will try to run and see how this is going to work. Okay, if we try to see, this one also swapped exactly, the last elements come to the first and first elements goes to the last place. See, by using swap with partitioning also we can able to achieve. This is the simplest way that we can able to achieve it. So here is the two techniques which we can identify by using the temporary variable as well as swap doing the partitioning. Okay, that's all for today's guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment.